let's go right to here. Yeah. Shit. Welcome, CS50 and others, to my Wiki presentation. Let's just start this thing. Okay, now that we got the server all going and loaded, this is my Wiki app, and it is super plain and simple. There's nothing really special about it. This is the home page listing all of the existing pages. This is where you can create a new page. I'll do that after. Random gets you a random page. And if you press edit, you can edit the content of the page and save it again. Oh yeah, I guess I should do the search thing. And it searches. Cool. This is a heading, and this is not. This is a heading, and this is not. Well, thank you for watching. It took me a while to get the video out, but things break, life happens, it takes time. And that was my Wiki presentation.